Okay, so from here, this would be Python projects for part 3, and we're going to write some code that's going to allow us to add some passwords to this file. We'll do that in this insert.py. Import that function again that encrypts and decrypts. Get that name also. Alright, now first, let's see. I'll just call it store in bank. It's going to take the password and the key. And what this is going to be able to do really is just encrypt the file, or really decrypt the file first. Add the password, and then encrypt the file. But if it's already decrypted, then it'll just add the password, then encrypt it again. So we're going to write some code that does that. All right, so we get the content. Get that in bits. Close that out. All right, now we're just going to check the file. Basically, if it's already decrypted, we're going to see. Well, actually, no, we're going to check to see if it's encrypted. We're going to have to decrypt it so we can add in the new password, then encrypt it again. But if it isn't, we're just going to let the code run, add in the password, and then encrypt it after that. So the way I'll do that, let me put a comment first. Okay, so content.is ASCII equals false. So if it's not readable characters within bits, then decrypt. I keep forgetting the name of this function. So now we can add at this point. So I'll kind of like notify what's going on. At this point, we'll be inserting into the word bank. We just gotta append the password to the file. So just add in the password to the rest. So it'll be going on this on line 5. Add bits, then write. Actually, no. to do that /n so I can drop down after type in that password or append the password to this file, because all of them will be getting added like that. So that way it'll leave the next line open, so on and so forth. Okay, so I gotta add some encoding. TF8. Gotta add that or erase an error. Excuse me. Then after this, we'll encrypt the file again. Then notify. So I'm gonna make the colors. Actually, colors should still be. Let me import it first. I'll make this message like purple. Alright, and that should work. Let's try this out. Storm Bank. I'll put last password, last passkey, and use the same 222 I've been using the past videos. Then run this. Enter into Word Bank now. Password is now saved into your bank. Alright, so see, it encrypts it as soon as it adds it in. Now let's keep it like that. And I'm gonna add another one. Just do all Z's. Run that again. It's successful again. Stays encrypted. Now for this one, let's decrypt it really quick. You see, added it perfectly, or maybe not. Oh, well, these I added in manually at first, so I guess from here, it will continue to add it to the next line and leave the next line open. So we'll leave that like that. So, all right, so we got that going, and I'll probably just add also an extra function that asks them if they want to keep adding more passwords. It might be the beginning of them using it. So I'll do ask for another. drop down the next line, give them some space to answer, and I'll just have this function return true or false, really. Alright, so if it's Y, return true. If it's N, return false. Else, ask again, map bits. Alright, and that's pretty simple. I know that's going to go through. And I'll have another function because one more page I got to do is just the main menu. I'll have that function really just run the ask again after this comes back successfully. So the next video we'll be doing the main menu. See you there.